In this particular question, two given circles are intersecting each other at A point and B point, and we have to find out equation of a circle whose diameter is AB. So given two circles are as follows. They are intersecting at point A and point B, and we have to find equation of a circle for which AB is a diameter. First circle is x square plus y square minus 4 equals 0. Second circle is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y minus 5 equals 0. Now we have to find out equation of circle for which AB is a diameter. We can assume equation of this circle by the theory of family of circle. We can write this circle as x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y minus 5 plus lambda times x square plus y square minus 4 equals 0, which is in the form of s1 plus lambda s2 equal to 0. Remember, we can write any circle passing through point A and B in this form because A and B are intersecting point of these two given circles. This circle can be assumed in this form. Now, if we write this circle in standard form, we have x square lambda plus 1, y square lambda plus 1, plus along with 2x plus 3y minus times 5 plus 4 lambda equal to 0, which can be further written as x square plus y square plus 2x divided by lambda plus 1 plus 3y upon lambda plus 1 minus 5 plus 4 lambda divided by lambda plus 1 equal to 0. Remember, in this particular form we cannot have lambda equal to 1, lambda equal to minus 1, because if we take lambda equal to minus 1, then we have line this which is equal to common chord. So we cannot take the value lambda equal to minus 1. That's why we can divide by lambda plus 1 in this equation. Now, if this equation S represents this circle, then as we can see, AB is working as a diameter. Center of S must lie on the diameter AB. So center of S, which is minus 1 upon lambda plus 1 and minus 3 by 2 lambda plus 1. Since center of S is this, it must lie on line AB. But we do not have equation of line AB still. So for equation of line AB, we can find equation of line AB as follows: x square plus y square. If we name this circle as 1 and this circle as 2, so for line AB we will use 1 minus or 2 minus 1. So equation of line AB will become 2x plus 3y minus 5 plus 4 equal to 0. So 2x plus 3y equal to 1. It is equation of line AB, which is common chord for both the circles. If we satisfy this center on this line L on putting C on L, we get value of lambda equal to negative 15 by 2. We get value of lambda equal to negative 15 by 2. And using this in S, we get required answer. The required answer is x square, 13 times x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 50 equal to 0. That's the required answer which is given in option A.